We'll guide you through how to change the default search engine in Google Chrome. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Google Chrome. So at the moment, my search engine is set to Yahoo, and I want to go and change the default search engine because when I go and search for something, it goes and uses it. Let's go and say I go and search for GuideRealm. You'll go and see we're then using the Yahoo search, which I don't want to use. I want to go and use Google, or you may want to go and use another. There are different options you can use. So make sure it's this full guide, and so you'll know how, and you can then go and start using it. And you can also go and change it. What happens when you first go and open up Chrome as well, as at the moment it uses Yahoo as well. So to go and get started with this, you need to go and head to the top right of Chrome. There you're going to go and find the three dots. You want to go down and you want to go and find the option for settings, and you want to go and click there. Now we're in settings. You want to go over to the left to this side menu and find the option for search engine. Now keep watching as there's a few things you don't want to miss out on. Here you want to go and press manage search engines and site search. Then what you can do is come into search engines. You're going to see some different options here, and you can go and choose one you want to use, whether that's Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo, and Ecosia. In this case, I like to go and use Google. So we'll go to the right, press the three dots, and you can press make default. After you've done that, you can then also come over to the left and choose on startup. So at the moment it's using Yahoo when it goes and starts up. In this case, we can just have selected open the new tab page like so. Now we're using Google, that should go and use Google. So now if we go and close out of Chrome, I'll just go and show you. We can then go and open it up again. And we choose this account. You'll go and see we're now using Google. Opens up on my wrong monitor, but here we are. And now when I go and search something like GuideRealm, you'll go and see it's now using Google. So that's it, we successfully changed it. If you found this useful, want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. There are more guides like this on the channel and much more to come. So stay tuned, and I look forward to help you again in the future.